Businesses today are constantly seeking ways to improve the quality and efficiency of IT services. According to ESG's 2013 IT Spending Intention Survey, cost reduction was ranked as the top business initiative impacting IT spending, underscoring the emphasis on efficiency. Other productivity initiatives such as business process improvements and mobile device strategies were also high on the list. It's not surprising that the initial success of server virtualization was born out of necessity for data center consolidation and cost containment. Since virtual machines have no additional footprint and cost a great deal less than physical servers, optimizing server utilization allowed IT to realize massive savings on unnecessary floor space, power, and cooling. Following on the heels of that success came virtualization at all levels, including desktop virtualization and network virtualization. Even storage virtualization, which actually predates server virtualization, has achieved renewed prominence. The success of server virtualization is well documented. Though the primary use case for it remained consolidation and cost containment, leading-edge IT organizations have also been able to target the next tier of applications, automate manual IT tasks through high-level management orchestration capabilities, maximize infrastructure efficiency, and streamline access to IT resources. The ROI derives from hard savings such as reduced operational cost and deferred capital expenditures in hardware, and soft savings such as simplified management, reduced downtime, and improved performance, to name a few. The primary challenges with server virtualization have been governance and compliance. Both internal regulations and vendor requirements can often preclude customers from virtualizing certain workloads. This is particularly true in healthcare, where virtualizing certain critical patient systems is off limits. Desktop virtualization has emerged as one of the top 10 priorities for 2013. This trend has been driven largely by mobility and consumerization, which have burdened IT with the task of manually securing, updating, and patching a growing number of endpoints, often consumer devices, that are accessing the corporate network. Desktop virtualization offers a solution by centralizing management of endpoints within the data center and restoring control to IT administration. Those who have deployed desktop virtualization have cited desktop provisioning, patch management, and centralized backup devices as top benefits realized. The biggest challenge in desktop virtualization has been latency, since it places added workloads on the IT infrastructure. Because of this, maintaining performance and reliability requires strategic planning and investment. Network virtualization, such as software-defined network, are currently more in line with cloud service providers and academia than with the mainstream enterprise organizations, but we are starting to see more and more interest in the enterprise. Although data center consolidation and virtualization initiatives constrain network infrastructure and administration, these are being addressed for the moment by tactical approaches such as hiring additional personnel, upgrading hardware, or flattening the network. IT organizations are starting to recognize the value in SDN and beginning to think about how to architect and design for the future. The primary driver of storage virtualization has been unyielding data growth. Social media, Web 2.0 applications, smartphones, and tablets have enabled an onslaught of both content creation and consumption. Traditionally, organizations have addressed this type of challenge by adding storage capacity, but this has generated tremendous inefficiencies in the storage domain, characterized by underutilized resources and unshareable storage capacity stranded behind specific uses. Storage virtualization can allow IT to reclaim stranded storage, consolidate storage management, lower the total cost of ownership, increase utilization rates, and simplify storage tiering, to name just a few benefits. The storage challenges associated with server virtualization include both CapEx and OpEx related to the new storage infrastructure, scalability problems, and the impact on overall volume of storage capacity. As organizations continue to seek IT initiatives that improve efficiency and drive down costs, virtualization and cloud technologies remain viable options. But virtualization initiatives require a well-thought-out strategy and execution plan, and organizations must make the necessary investments in their data center infrastructure to support the initiative. Companies whose infrastructure cannot keep pace with the added workloads will fail to see the operational and productivity gains that lead to a positive ROI. In contrast, organizations that align virtualization deployments with scalable data center solutions often find that the initial outlay yields significant savings over time.